Okay, so to create your EssayPop account, you're going to first follow the hyperlink in Canvas at essaypop.com. Okay, you're going to hit sign up for free, and then you can sign in with Google. It doesn't matter, you could use your school, Cleveland ISD, it doesn't matter, something you can remember. I'm going to use this one, it's the only one I have. We are going to select allow. This is a trusted site. You are the student. Hit next. And then join group or class. Then select the blue group tab. And then enter the code that is in the assignment. It's in the syllabus. And if you're here, it's on the board. Okay, so we're just going to... Okay, and then select join. Alright, your assignment is right there for you. You're going to select the blue one, Catch the Moon in Two Kinds Analysis Comparison. Okay, and select start. And there you are. Once you're here, you'll see the title, the prompt. I have some additional resources here for you. There's an audio recording of Catch the Moon and an audio recording of Two Kinds in case you needed that extra support. And on the right, you see the criteria for the paper. When you're ready to begin, you're just going to hit start writing. And as you go back, once you're done, you're going to check complete. But start writing. And it guides you through your paper as you write.